To increase or decrease audio volume, let us open VSDC Editor and import a video with some volume. On right-hand side, the Properties window is there, and inside it, Option Audio Volume is there. Let us play the video. So, to decrease volume, change audio volume option to -20 decibels. Now, play the video. The reduction in volume is clearly noticeable. Similarly, volume can be increased. Change audio volume option to +20 decibels. Now, play the video. The increase in volume is clearly noticeable. It is too loud and distorted. Bring it down to +10 decibels. Now, play the video. The increase in volume is clearly noticeable. Thank you for watching it.